If you've been looking for a home that's conveniently located right off the I-17 and Carefree Highway, that's close to restaurants, shopping, major employers, and has beautiful mountain views, this is the home for you. Hi, I'm Kim Nathanson, and I can't wait to show you this beautiful home. Located in the master planned community of Tramonto, which offers an incredible lifestyle. I'm talking about swimming pools, kiddie pools, spas, playgrounds, grassy areas, sand volleyball, tennis, and basketball courts. I mean, I can go on and on. Is 2316 West Villa Cassandra Drive. As you approach the home, the first thing you notice is Tramonto Peak and the beautiful gated courtyard. Entering, you're greeted by beautiful windows that let in plenty of natural light. The grand living space is perfect for large gatherings, entertaining, game night, or simply watching a movie next to the fireplace. Continuing through the butler's pantry with wine fridge is the open concept eat-in kitchen. And what a kitchen this is. The large island is perfect for gatherings or food prep. And the chef in you will love the 6-burner gas cooktop, built-in refrigerator, and plenty of storage space. Conveniently located across the kitchen is the family room, guaranteeing the chef of the family is always part of game night or the great movie. Off the family room is a computer nook, or a perfect timeout space for you or the kids. The split floor plan in this home offers plenty of privacy for family and guests, with 2 bedrooms sharing a bathroom and the 3rd bedroom and ensuite on one side of the house and the primary clear on the other side. Speaking of the primary suite, it's large and open with its own sitting room, fireplace, and dedicated coffee bar, as well as its own patio. The perfect place to enjoy your morning coffee or tea or evening adult beverage. If you ever go missing, have them look for you in this bathroom or the closet. The jetted tub and walk-in shower are heavenly, and the walk-in closet offers plenty of space for 100 pairs of her favorite shoes. Continuing out the glass doors is your own private oasis with gas fireplace, built-in barbecue, smoker, and there's even a hibachi. The grassy area is perfect for yard games or even a future pool. This home has everything. The only thing that's missing is you. For your own tour, call me, Kim Nathanson, at 480-512-2501. Thank you.